Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix display black and white on iPhone. So if you want to fix this black and white on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So to start, you need to go to settings. So tap on settings. Now once you're on settings, you need to scroll down a bit and tap on accessibility. So once you're here, what you need to do is to tap on display and text size just under the vision, and once you tap display and text size, what you can do is to scroll down and look for color filters. So tap on it. And in here, as you can see, color filters is turned on. Simply toggle it off. And as you can see, it's now back to normal. Next, what you can do is to go back. And in here, if you see Smart Invert and Classic Invert turned on, make sure both of them are turned off. So tap on it to disable it. Now go back and close the settings app and see if it works. And that's it. One of these methods should bring back the colors on your iPhone and get your display looking normal again. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps your channel grow and lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Also, if you tried all the steps and you're still having the same problem, drop your issue in the comments below and let me know what you're seeing on your screen, and I'll do my best to help you out. That's basically it. Thanks for watching.